Hello World! Today we will talk about an important aspect of Python programming. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. This topic will help you better understand how to create efficient and scalable applications. And to make it even more interesting, we will use analogies from the world of Harry Potter. OOP is a programming paradigm that allows you to organize code in the form of objects. Objects are instances of classes that can contain data, attributes, and methods, functions. The basic principles of OOP include encapsulation, hiding the internal implementation of an object and providing access only to the necessary methods. Imagine that you have a class Magic Wand. The internal mechanisms of the wand are hidden from the user, and he can only use methods such as wave or cast a spell. This is encapsulation. Inheritance, the ability to create new classes based on existing ones, inheriting their properties and methods. Imagine that you have a base class Wizard, and you create subclasses Gryffindor and Slytherin, which inherit the properties and methods of the base class. Polymorphism, the ability of methods to work differently depending on the object. It's like Professor McGonagall's ability to transform into a cat. In Python, this allows methods to work differently depending on the object. Abstraction, creating abstract classes to define interfaces and templates. Imagine that you have an abstract class Spell, which defines the interface for all spells. Specific spells such as Expelliarmus and Lumos implement this interface. I hope this video has helped you better understand the basics of OOP through the lens of the Harry Potter world. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, The Way of the Serpent, and like this video. See you soon! Subscribe to our Telegram channel, like, and write comments.